The young lepcha lay down on the rug and was soon fast asleep. Now he was so tired that the moment he laid on the rug, he slept. He slept soundly. Soundly means इतनी गहरी नींद में सोया, इतनी आराम से सोया, without he was not getting disturbed from the noise also. So he slept soundly till the sun rose again behind the mountain peaks. And then he was awakened by the sound of children at play. Now he was awakened with the sound of the children, those who were playing. He got out of bed to find a little boy and girl running about the house. Now he got out from his bed and he saw that a girl and a boy, they were running about, they were playing. He thought they were the neighbor's children. Why? Because he didn't see any children in the house. So he thought that they must be neighbor's children, and that the old people had probably gone to work in the field. So he was thinking that these are neighbor's children, and the old people, the old man and woman, they both have gone in the field to work. But when he asked the children who they were, now when he asked who you people were, they laughed merrily. बहुत जोर से हंसने लगे. They laughed merrily and answered that they were the old couple. Now they were laughing merrily and they said that they are the old couple. The young man was thoroughly confused. Now this lepcha boy was thoroughly confused. Thoroughly means completely. He was completely confused. How can this be possible? कि ये शाम तक, कल तक तो बूढ़े थे, आज बच्चे कैसे बन गए? So he was thoroughly confused. The children informed him that this was how their world worked. Now children, they told him that this is how the world worked for them. This is their world. ये उनकी दुनिया है. ये उनकी दुनिया में इसी तरीके से होता है. What? In the morning they become children. By midday they grew up into old adults. And in the evening they were old. Means morning they were children. Midday, दोपहर में, they were adults. And in the evening they were old. But by the following morning they were children again. In this way they lived forever. Now this they explained that in the world of Mayal, this happens. This is very common and this happens. The young lepcha spent 7 very happy days in the valley. He roamed around enjoying the beautiful scenery. He saw a whole forest of trees with blue-green needles and golden barks. And morning and evening he saw large flocks of white birds flying across the sky. At the end of the 7 days, the old woman told the young lepcha that he must return to his world, as no ordinary humans was allowed to live in Mayel. Now, for 7 days he lived there. He enjoyed the greenery, scenery, and then he looked for different trees with green and blue and green needles. Instead of leaves, they had needles and golden barks. Then he saw the large flocks of white birds flying across the sky. And then when after those 7 days were over, the old woman, she called him and said that you should leave this place, because no ordinary human beings are allowed to live in Mayel. So next we'll see what this old woman gave. The old woman gave him the seeds of several different kinds of grains. Now several different kinds of grains as a gift. Now these grains were given to this lepcha boy as a gift. She said that if those seeds were sown in the village, his village would always have plenty to eat. Means his village will not face any kind of famine. वहाँ पे कोई किसी तरह की भूखमरी नहीं होगी. And that village will have plenty to eat if these grains will be sown in that village. But they would have to be sown at a proper time. But condition क्या शर्त थी? That they have to be sown at a proper time. Then the young lepcha boy, he asked, then how would they come to know that what is the proper time? Just then a flock of white birds flew past them. The flock of white birds flew past them. The old woman smiled. She said, that they would send a flock of white birds as a signal for the apt time. Apt means suitable, appropriate, बिल्कुल ठीक समय. Apt, suitable. So she said that when he asked that what will be the apt time, we will not come to know. How will we come to know that when to grow these grains? So she smiled and said, we will send these flock of white birds as a signal, and by this you will come to know that now this is the right time to grow these grains. The Lepchas, now coming to the present time, the Lepchas tribe of Sikkim, they still believe, आज भी वो क्या believe करते हैं, that this is how they came to have food grains. This is the story that they came to have known about the food grains, and to this day, and at present day also, they see this flocks of white birds, they call it as a signal, and then they grow their grains. When they see flocks of white birds, they know it is a time for them to sow their crops. Once the sowing is over, they begin to pray to their ancestors in Mayel to send them a good harvest. Good harvest means good crops. To send them good harvest. I hope you have enjoyed this lesson and you have learned many things from this lesson. Thank you so much.